guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a eye makeup tutorial, and that is greenish golden soft eye makeup look. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with concealer as my base. Here I'm using this concealer by Focalor shade Natural. I want to take any kind of normal translucent powder to set the concealer. Here I'm using this blackish type green color as my transition shade and blend this out. After that, I want to apply this lovely green color on my outer corner, right next to that darker shade. And slightly dragging out the brush to outer side. Okay, now I'm doing the same process on inner corner of my eyelid, which I did to my other corner. Again, blend this out nicely. Thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel, guys. You have to be very patient when you are blending out your shadows. Now it's time to add some glow to make this look more beautiful. Here I'm using Tuscan Sunshine Palette by Kiko Milano. I'm using that golden shimmer to middle part of my eyelid. Then apply that blackish green color on your lower lash line. Already I've applied eyeliner and mascara and off camera. Again, I'm applying that golden shimmer to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. So here is the final look. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment in comment section below. Love you all. Bye guys.